Greetings, Ichie.
My queen.
Your Majesty, food is served.
What is wrong with you, women? Why is it that when a man has set himself to discuss something of import, if it alakbo, you must come up with this your eating thing. What is food? I don't want to eat.
My husband, all I am saying is that you should try and eat something before you fall sick. No matter how little.
Why don't you let me decide on falling sick? Yes. I'm not eating. Why don't you let me finish what I am discussing? Go, I'm not eating.
Your Majesty, I think she was right.
To go and eat? Of course she was right. I didn't say she wasn't right. We all have our own rights. She was right within her own rights. Yes. To talk about food. I was right within my own rights to refuse to eat. We are discussing something important.
Your Majesty, the food is important as well.
It is important as well.
Love is too much. Now which can love me this? You love me, you love me so.
I don't know what else to do. He has been like this ever since Jane left this house. I don't know what else to do to calm him down.
The best solution is to bring Jane back home. But come to think of it, why is Michael trying to tear this family apart? Because obviously he's the cause of all this. I think I have to confront that young man.
I forbid you from even thinking about it. You will do no such thing, young man.
Mom? Don't tell me you're taking sides with him.
Tony, I am not taking sides with anyone. Just that I'm not happy that Jane accepted his marriage proposal now. But you know, there's nothing anyone can do about it. Or do you want to force her to break up with the man she loves? He makes her happy. She's happy with him. And her happiness is paramount to me now.
And what happens to that happiness? How long will that happiness last? Do you know what that guy does for a living? What if he cannot take care of her tomorrow? What happens to the happiness?
Tony, Michael can well take good care of Jane. Trust me.
Oh, Mom. I guess you know Michael pretty well.
I do know him. I've known him for about 3 years now. He's a young man with vision. You can call him a roadside mechanic. But trust me, he is good at what he does. You should even thank God that he has something to do. There's something Jane sees in that young man. I just pray and wish your father will say the same and give them his blessing.
Jane, so after avoiding us for 3 whole weeks, you finally decided to return. Well, that's not bad. So, Tell me, what changed?
Nothing has changed, obviously. She's still putting on the ring. How long do you think you can put up this fight?
I am not fighting with anybody. No one at all. You are the one making this seem as if it's a big deal. Bottom line is that I have chosen the man I want to spend the rest of my life with. And there is nothing anyone can do about it. I mean, absolutely nothing.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Dead serious. Well, that's not it. I also came here to let you people know that I have taken in.
What?
What?
I am pregnant.
That's a joke, right?
Why would I joke with such? Well, if you think I'm lying, you can confirm from the family's doctor.
No, Jen, I don't think you're serious.
Honestly, Jen, you are incredible. You mean you went ahead and got pregnant amidst all these issues?
Jane is crazy. You've completely lost it. You forgot you're a princess in this kingdom? Well, you seem not to know who your father is until he hears this.
Well, I've not come here for that, bro. I really haven't come here for that. I've only come here to tell you people the situation of things in my life. Mom, your daughter is very happy where she is. I am so contented with my relationship. Please, you people should not interfere. Allow me to be happy with my man. Please. Look at that, like that. Yes, Mom. Jane, just like that.
See that?
What is this? No, what just happened?
You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me.
Jen, you think that by getting yourself pregnant, you will weaken my resolve? You think so? Well, you have another thing coming.
That you show me and the love that we share. What happened to you? What happened to you? It's like I'm lost. I don't get it anymore. Someone tell me what's going on. It feels like I am getting drowned. You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you? Papa, what happened to the care that you showed me and the love that we share? What happened to you?
Listen attentively. There are two things that must be done immediately. One, terminate my daughter's weekly allowance forthwith. Then two, all her company shares are hereby embargoed. In fact, put all of them up for sale immediately. Now stop asking stupid questions. Don't ask questions about what you know nothing about. Do as you're told.
You love me so tight, what make me come to think oh, whether this love not true, whether not fake oh, whether this love not genuine no. whether I'm fraud, no. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. They tell me father's love is very
Come on, pick up your call.
and they tell me fathers can do anything for their daughter.
Pick your call.
Me to be with the one I love. Oh.
Pick your call. Pick your call. Pick your call.
Soyaka obinacho, oh yeah. Soyaka obinacho, oh yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, morning, Jane. You're welcome. How are you today?
Alright, sir.
Good. I sent for you because of the disturbing complaint your father made about you.
Well, I'm so sorry, sir. I do not want to discuss that right now.
Really?
Yes.
Yes, I think there is no need to doubt anymore. I'm not going to ask you who did what and what you did. But you see, I want you to go home and mend fences with your father. Just make peace with him. For he threatened to remove you from this school. And also said he will cut you off all financial bills. And that I do not wish for you.
Well, my father can go ahead and do whatever he wants. He can cut off all the financial benefits I get from him as a daughter. But he cannot remove me from this school. Because this school is not owned by him. Besides, I haven't done anything to violate the rules and regulations of the school to deserve that. I haven't.
Is that what you think? I want to assure you that I know how to handle stubborn kids. And I do not desire you to be one of such children, because I do not see you so. It's like you really do not know your father pretty well. For if you do, you won't be saying what you're not talking. He has every power to stop you from this school, because nobody can stop him. And I must remind you, you are in your final year. You need concentration. You do not need all these kind of distractions here and there. This is not the time for that. What I expect you to begin to do now is face your studies, concentrate fully, and see how you come out of school. The surgery department of medicine that you dream of daily needs concentration. And come to think of it, I must also affirm it to you that your father have all it takes to cut you off your studies in the school. Be very, very careful. I do not wish that for you. Thank you.
You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you? Papa, what happened to the care that you showed me? And the love that we shared? What happened to you?
Welcome.
You okay?
I'm fine.
You're fine. You're not fine. You're crying.
I'm alright.
What's wrong? Oh, you're crying. What's wrong?
My father has cut off every financial benefit I received from him. He even took the car he bought for me on my last year's birthday. Now he has instructed the VC to remove me from school and he's ready to grant that wish. I am financially handicapped. I have nothing with me. I don't know what I've done wrong to my father to deserve this. I don't know. I don't just know.
What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you? Papa, what happened?
Good.
Good afternoon, sir.
How far?
Sir, this nose is not good, though. The nose is not good, honestly.
The nozzles.
Yeah.
It's not a problem now. Bring out all of them and clean them. Get injector cleaner.
Okay, sir.
If we don't have, tell Emeka to bring.
No problem, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
How is it going?
sir, this thing is not working.
Let me see. Man, I'm going. This one is bad. Take it. It's bad. Tell Emeka to bring it. Let him bring this.
New one.
Brand new.
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome, Carol.
Fine, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the landlord came here. He says you should vacate this premises.
I should vacate this premises?
Yes. Here are the papers he brought. Anna Bambao.
Quit notice. God cannot give me quit notice now. I'm not owing him. My rent has not even expired.
Maybe you should call him and see his reasons.
I don't know why that man would do such a thing. I mean, why would that man do such a thing? Why? Huh? Since I moved into that property and started working there, we've not had any issues. Never. How can he just wake up one morning and ask me to leave? Something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong.
Something is not just right with what you just said. Are you sure my father is not behind this? Yes. I'm sure he must have bought that building over.
No, that's not possible.
My love, you don't have to doubt me. I know my father and I know what he's capable of doing. He's trying so hard to frustrate me. I am really sure he's behind this.
You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you? Papa, what happened to the care that you showed me? And the love that we shared? What happened to you? What happened to you? Daddy, what happened to the care that you showed me? And the love that we shared? What happened to you? What happened to you? It's like I'm lost. I don't get it anymore. Someone tell me what's going on.
What are you doing here? Answer me!
Why are you doing this? What do you intend to achieve with all those things you're doing? Why? What have I done to you, Father?
What are you talking about? Oh, is it about the money and the car? Why should you still continue to enjoy such privileges from me, knowing that you're no longer my daughter?
I am not talking about your car. Neither am I talking about the money. Because I know full well that I can survive without any of your financial assistance. I'm talking about Michael. Why are you dragging him into this? What has he done wrong to you? What? Why did you have to chase him away from his shop? Father, I still don't know why you're doing this to me.
So you can survive without financial benefits, financial support from me. Is that so? Is that what you came to tell me? All right. Professor Gochukwu, it's me. I am no longer responsible for Jane's school fees. Yes, my hands are off. Take her out of that school. After all, I was responsible for her coming into the school. I engineered her going into the medical school. So, I want her out. I shall be calling her HOD immediately after this. Oh, don't worry. Thank you very much. As for that idiot you call Michael, he is the reason for your coming to challenge your father now. And he is the reason you're about to destroy your life. That young man took something from me, and I will not relent until I run him out. Yes. The drums of the war has just begun, and I am ready. Let's see how you're going to finish. Finish your school. Finish your medical school. Look, you had to open your leg, and you got pregnant. And you had to come in here. You had the temerity to announce it right here in this palace. Huh? Yes.
You fail to understand one thing, Father.
What is it?
You are not my God. You are not God, and you cannot decide our faith. You can't. You can do anything you so please, but you cannot determine my future. Michael hasn't done anything wrong to you. The only thing that young man has done is to love your daughter, that's all. He hasn't done anything to you. Terminating my schooling, destroying my future, and calling the VC of my school will not make me change my mind. I love Michael so much, and I can never change my decision.
Is that so? All right. All right, we shall see. We shall see.
What happened to you?
We shall see.
What is the meaning of this?
Hey, get out, get out.
Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you? Papa, what happened to the kid?
Why should the king terminate everything on her? He stopped where she got allowances, and now he has called the vice chancellor to sack her from the school. What did she do?
If Anna stop supporting evil, forget the fact that you and Nelly are close to the princess, but we must call a spade a spade. Your father, who is a king and is well known in the society, said, I don't want this for now. And she's proving to be stubborn. Is that one fair? Let's be careful. We cannot be silly because we are privileged to come from a wealthy home and let it get into our head.
Please, Oge, stop saying nonsense about the princess. She is not proud. She's not stubborn or arrogant. If she's arrogant, why would she have this problem now she's having with her father? If she's proud, why would she be having anything to do with a roadside mechanic? Pursuing her degree in medicine. Please, let's don't blame her. He who wears the shoe knows where it pitches. Please.
And the king said, no, I don't want this. Why is it so hard for her to do?
I wonder.
Finish your school, get your certificate. Marriage is not running away. One thing I love about the king is that he made his word so open that we all know who is at fault here. As for me, my father is poor. But I can never disobey him if I want to get married tomorrow and he opposes it. So why will I be arguing over it? Why will I be arguing with him? There is no father or mother that will lead a child astray. So why are we arguing over it? And the next one is that she's pregnant. Was that one good too?
I heard that too. I'm not in support. She shouldn't have done it.
That must probably be a mistake.
How?
Or they did it to weaken the king. But Chireo, what will be their fate?
Now again, Aju, that's a very good question.
There's nothing wrong. It's love.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's leave out the argument. It's okay.
If you like.
Again. How dare you? How dare you put Jane in such situation? What are you talking about? Huh? What are you talking about? Hey, shut up and do not play smart with me. I did warn Jane about you, but I did not know the spell you used on her. Now she's doomed. She's into a situation and she does not even have anyone to run to. Do you know the situation you put her into? Huh? What situation? Huh? Did she tell you to speak for her? Did she run to you for help? Don't you even have work? Hey! Sorry. Shut up. Sorry, please. Shut up. Sorry. He has not got into this. Now go down. Yeah, sorry. I told you. I warned you, right? I warned you, right? He has not got into this. Huh? I will blow off your head now. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Baby, I'm so sorry I'm making you go through all this. The worst is that my father has called the VC to terminate my education. I don't even know what to do now. I cannot lose out after so many years in school.
My love, calm down, okay? You will not lose out. And stop blaming yourself. You've done nothing. It's all my fault. Believe me, I'm the one who's putting you through all this. But I want you to know this. The best your father can do is to stop paying your bills and financing your education. He cannot stop you from going to class. So calm down.
I am not okay because my father never understands. He doesn't want to listen to me. He doesn't want to calm down and listen to my own explanation. I don't know what I've done wrong to him.
Nothing is happening to you, my love. Nothing. And you only fell in love with a poor, helpless guy who's still struggling to, find his feet. And for that, I appreciate you so much. And I'll not take it for granted. Okay? I'll always love you. I promise you that. But you've done nothing wrong.
I love you too.
I love you more. I love you more. I promise you I'll work hard, okay? Forget what your father is doing. You're an adult. I'm an adult. I'll work hard. I'll make sure I take very good care of you and you'll not regret your decision. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much for listening for me.
You'll get through it.
I was a loving father, all the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense, asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you? Papa, what happened to the care that you showed me? And the love that we shared? What happened?
Greetings.
Your Majesty, Ikukuoma 1 of Umucheke Kingdom, I greet you, Your Imperial Majesty.
Edochie, come.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Oluchukwu, I thought you were a friend of this family. Why did you fail this family?
Your Majesty, I tried, but I failed to a deaf ear.
Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me when the relationship was still growing? When it was still flowering, building up, when the relationship was budding?
Your Majesty, I didn't know it will get to this. Besides, Jane never tells me anything. She was never open to me.
Are you aware that she is pregnant?
Hey. Yes, Your Majesty.
Oluchukwu.
Your Majesty.
Can you disobey your parents like she did? Can you?
No, Your Majesty. But I have come to plead on her behalf. Please, Your Majesty, allow her to finish her school. We are almost ending it. Please.
Oluchukwu.
Your Majesty.
We have talked. Get up.
Your Majesty.
Get up. You may go.
Your Majesty.
You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you? Papa, what happened to the care that you showed me and the love that we shared? What happened to you? What happened to you? Daddy, what happened to
Mom!
the care that you showed?
Mommy, have a call!
And the love that we shared? What happened to you?
Michael!
What happened to you?
Hello? Hold on, please.
Hello, Michael. Really? What?
It feels like I am getting drowned.
Are you serious? Oh, my goodness, thank goodness. Oh, that's wonderful. This is beautiful news. My regards to her. So, how is she? She's good. God, I thank you. God, I thank you. Bye. I'll come over to see you guys, all right? You take care. Congratulations once more. Bye.
No, Jane?
Jane has been delivered a beautiful baby girl. And now an uncle with a little niece. And my other grandmother.
Congratulations to her.
Dale, my Chineke merayo. Dale, my Chineke merayo. God, thank you, thank you, thank you.
What's the excitement for?
Jane just delivered a bouncing baby girl.
Wow.
I am the latest grandmother in town, and I shall be going over to see my granddaughter.
I forbid you. Any day you step out of this palace to go see that child, don't dream of returning. Remain there. That goes for both of you. I don't want that child spoken about in this palace. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened?
What a delicate, beautiful baby. She looks so much like her father.
Hey, don't even say that. I said my baby looks like me. Even the father knows that.
See Ronaldo.
What everybody is saying is right. But take a good look at her. Make good don't know one. Baby looks like me.
Okay, in that case, I think she looks like her uncle.
Like uncle. You as well.
My nose and my eyes.
Hey, I'm going away. Mama yellam. Mommy, I can't thank you enough for coming through. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
So, baby, she's looking forward to school.
Oh, give me. You just give me.
So, Jane, you didn't thank me for coming.
I don't have your time.
I will not come again.
I don't have your time.
Oh, no, I will not come again. I will not come again. Mike, I must confess, you're quite an interesting guy. Regardless of everything my father did to frustrate you, you stood strong and tall. I admire that. I believe Jane definitely saw something in you that my father could not see.
Thank you for the compliment.
You're welcome.
So how's the king?
He's fine. He's very fine. He's there. Just that for some time now, he has not been relating with Tony on Jane's case. But if somebody like Collins could give up, I believe someday they will. They will too, yes.
Speaking about Collins, how is he?
The young man has gone back to the US. Losing Jane was a very big shock to him. He never thought Jane could turn a young man like him down. But she did. She did. Come to think of it, that guy really loved and cared about Jane. Yes. He was ready to do anything. I mean, everything to make her happy. The boutique was opened for Jane. But when he saw that Jane was not serious with him, he had to close it down and flee back to the US. Mike, Jane has really sacrificed a lot for you. I hope you continue to make her happy.
Jane means the world to me. In fact, she means everything. I cannot trade her for anything in the world.
Thank you very much. Thanks. Thanks.
Mom, how is Dad?
He's fine. Jane, are you for real? You mean you still care about your father after all these difficulties?
Mommy, why wouldn't I care about him? He's still my father. I think I'm the one that really disappointed Dad. Regardless the fact that he did not accept the man I chose to be my life partner. But then, Mommy, he really expected so much from me. So much. And I failed him. I understand his anger, honestly. I do.
Jane, how did you feel him? What is the disappointment? What you have is what every woman dreams about. A loving husband that adores you. A beautiful child. Look at how beautiful and adorable your daughter looks. In fact, if you ask me, you just went after your heart. You went after your dream. And they shouldn't be good for that. Alright? One of these days I think you should pay him a visit. Come with the baby. Yes.
I should do that, Mom.
Come with your daughter. Maybe the sight of the grandchild that he's seeing will melt his heart. Trust me. That is a desire, the secret desire of every parent, to have a grandchild. It's alright. Bochu.
Has Miracle slept?
Yes, she has.
You should get some sleep too.
I will only go to bed when you're ready. We'll go together. That reminds me, my love. What do you think about what Mommy suggested?
What?
Do you think I should do it? Going back?
Oh, about you going home?
Yeah.
I think it's the right thing to do. It could do the magic.
Alright. I'll give it a try. Okay, baby.
Let's go.
Oh. Come on, babe. Let's go.
Oh.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. My father loves me, he loves me well. I say he came for me, he loves me well. Now which can love me this year?
Did your mom tell you I carried her like this years ago?
Miracle, tell her that your mother was never this small. She was born this big. Mm-hmm. Who is that?
Let me check. Oh, Your Majesty, he's back.
Sit down.
It's true.
I'm scared. My baby.
Oh my goodness. My child. Oh. I'm so scared. You're welcome, Your Majesty.
Yes. Where's my wife?
She's not in, Your Majesty.
As a baby. Eunice,
Your Majesty.
who gave birth to a baby in this palace?
Your Majesty, it's just... Your Majesty.
You!
Your Majesty, please.
Now, one more word from you, and I will slice off that head. You will get out of here now. You will walk out of this palace. And if you get out, don't ever dream of returning. Do I make myself clear? If you don't leave, I will most decidedly deal with you. Now leave! Guards!
Your Majesty!
Guards!
Your Majesty, please!
Come on! Take her out of this place! Move her! Are you pleading with her?
Your Majesty, please.
Now get inside! Get inside now! This minute! Now what's wrong with everybody here? Is everybody mad?
My love, you did the right thing. Okay? Do not blame yourself. I think your father just needs time.
I know. I understand. Will you still be traveling tomorrow?
Oh yes, unfailingly. I just have to make that trip. But I'll be back before you know it. In 2 days I'll be done. I'll be back. Hope you guys can stay without me.
We'll try.
Thank you, Eunice.
Your Majesty.
What is it, Eunice?
If it pleases you, may I have your permission to say something?
Waiting.
Your Majesty, it's about Jane, Your Majesty.
Eunice, I don't want to ever hear that word, that name in this palace again.
Your Majesty, you need to...
Eunice, You are getting me angry. Now leave.
You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense.
Yes, dear. Are you serious? It's today? Oh my goodness, I forgot. Okay, do not worry yourself. I will have to come today. I don't have a choice. I can't afford to miss it, my dear. All right, I'll get back to you. Thank you so much. Wow. Oh my goodness. How do I do this now? I can't travel with my child. Oh, Luchi, where are you? And her number hasn't been connecting of late. Who do I talk to now? Oh, my mother.
Jane.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello, Jane. How are you, darling?
Mommy, I'm fine. Mommy, I have an urgent meeting to attend to. An interview in Enugu today. And I can't afford to miss it. I really want to go.
Alright, so how is that a problem?
Yes, there is. My Michael is out of town and I can't travel with my child.
Really? So that's not supposed to be a problem. That's not an issue. Why don't you bring her to the house and drop her with us?
I can actually leave her with you, but I'm worried about Dad.
Your daddy is out of town. I'm telling you, he's out of town. Alright? So bring the baby, okay? So that Eunice can help you. Even the maidens take care of her. Even me too. Okay?
Oh, it's alright, Mommy. Thank you so much. I'll do just that. Thank you.
You have a beautiful day. Bye.
Oh, got dress. Mimi. You know Mommy loves you, right? Don't do that. Auntie Eunice, Ifoma, Nelly, my baby, please.
My princess, you have nothing to worry about. We are here. You can take care of her. She can also take care of her. Like I took care of you. So, isn't it just for a day or two?
Yes.
Then don't just worry.
But my fear is that
you have nothing to be scared about. The king is not coming back this week.
Oh.
Yes.
Alright. Thank you.
Yeah,
okay, my little princess. Mommy is just going to be away for a night. And I'll come back to you. You know I love you, right? Please do not cry. No, don't. Just turn. Let me go. Just turn. It's okay, you run away.
Take this. Take this now. Take this. And let's go.
You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you? Papa, what happened to the care that you showed me? And the love that we share? What happened to you? What happened to you? Daddy, what happened to the care that you showed me? And the love that we share? What happened to you? What happened to you? It's like I'm lost, I don't get it anymore. Someone tell me what's going on. It feels like I am getting drowned. You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you? Papa, what happened to the care that you showed me? And the love that we share? What happened to you? What happened to you? Daddy, what happened to the care that you showed me? And the love that we share? What happened to you? What happened to you?
Whose baby is she?
Your Majesty, she traveled.
Was I not explicit about not having anything to do with Jane in this palace? Was I not? Are you disobeying me?
No, Your Majesty, you're not.
Eunice, I think you're disobeying me. Eunice, you are disobeying me.
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, please, Your Majesty. Please, Your Majesty.
No, it is enough. It has been confirmed by the police that I lost my grandchild. No.
Confirmed what? Confirmed what? What? These officers came with the news that a certain car ran over a child this morning, not far from this house. And the child died instantly.
Williams, come here. Give me my child. Give me my child. Just can't provide my child. Kill me, Williams. Kill me. Kill me.
Are you out of your senses?
Kill me too. Kill me.
Is this woman out of her senses?
Kill me. Williams, kill me. Kill me. Williams, kill me. Kill me. Kill me the way you killed my child.
Mom, why are you crying? What exactly is going on here?
Jane, it's nothing.
How can you say it's nothing? Mom is crying. There are policemen in our compound. What is it?
Dad threw your daughter out of the house and I don't know what these officers are talking about.
Dad did what? Which daughter are you talking about? My child? What nonsense? Auntie Eunice, where is the child I left in your care? What madness is this? Where is the child I left in your care? Where is my child? What is wrong with you people?
baby!
Let's go to the scene of the accident.
What accident? What are you people talking about? What are you talking about? Oh my God! No! No! Let us go!